Welcome back to Cotton Creations. So have you ever wanted a homemade breakfast biscuit sandwich but didn't feel like putting in all that work to make the homemade biscuits? Well, this is the recipe for you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do swim biscuits. First things first, go ahead and put your stick of butter in your glass pan or in your baking pan. Then pop that in the oven so it is nice and melted. And then I'm going to get my vegan buttermilk going. So I'm just going to combine some vegan milk and some lemon juice and set that aside. And then from there, I'm going to be combining my flour, baking powder, and a little bit of sugar. And then to that, I'm going to then combine the wet ingredients, really just the buttermilk. And we're going to go ahead and give that a nice stir. Oh, I forgot to mention it's also salt in the dry ingredients. But you know I got you on the full recipe down in the description box down below. We're going to mix that together until all the dry ingredients are wet. But don't overmix it. And then we're going to pull that hot pan out of the oven. We're going to add our dough to this butter, melted butter. We're going to smooth it out. And make sure you smooth it out all the way to the corners so that it's nice and even. It is absolutely a-okay if that butter starts to come up to the top or come to the center. You actually do want that to happen so that it cooks. All the areas of the dough gets cooked in the butter. So don't worry about if the butter is starting to move around and shift around on you. Then I'm going to take a butter knife and I'm going to score these biscuits so that they kind of have like a perforated cut in them. So I want 9 biscuits, so I'm just going to do 9 squares. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and pop these in the oven for about 15 minutes. I think it was actually like 18 minutes. So somewhere between 15 and 20. And like I said, I'll have all that in the recipe in the description box down below. And look at these are amazing. All right, calm down. I know y'all want to see what it looks like on the inside. I got you, okay? I got you. So as you can see, these are still piping hot. I literally just took them out the oven. You see all that steam? Y'all see all that steam? I'm trying to do it for y'all though, because I'm not going to leave you hanging on what it looks like. But I just say this, your girl did burn her fingers trying to get y'all this shot, but nonetheless, we're going to get it. So as you can see, nice and buttery, nice and soft, and these are nice and moist, but wait. I'm going to break it open for y'all. Okay, it's too hot. I'm sorry. Let me get situated. Let me try to pull this back a little bit and see if I can, get a little bit more comfortable, let this cool down a little bit. But first, let me show you a little close up. And let me show you what the bottom looks like too, because I'm sure some of y'all want to know that. That's what it looks like, okay? And then I'm going to just wait until it cools down before I bust it open for you. Okay, so it's cooled down enough for me to handle it. I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you. As you can see, nice and soft. It's got the air pockets inside as well. That's what you want in a biscuit. And then I cooked up a little bit of Just Egg scramble and a Beyond sausage. Put that in there, and we got us a nice homemade buttermilk biscuit, sausage and egg buttermilk biscuit. Hold on. That's a mouthful, and I ain't say it right. But you know what I'm talking about, okay? Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this recipe. Let me know if you're going to check it out. Drop me a comment down below if you like this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. And I will be back with more. And let me know if I should do other flavors. Thanks for watching.